Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be answering this question from the GCSE exams last year, which stumped a lot of parents. You can pause the video, have a go, and then we'll look at the answer afterwards. So the first thing I'm going to do is highlight my key information. Here's the shape and all of the measurements are in centimetres, and we've been given some expressions for some of the sides. It says the area of the shape is A centimetres squared. So A represents the area, and it's asking me to show that the area equals 2x squared plus 24x plus 46. So the first thing I'm going to do is consider how I would get the area. Please make sure you do not do perimeter. This is a rectilinear shape. It's made up of rectangles, so I would do base times height, and then I would add them up basically. So it's the total of base times height for each rectangle. So I will do exactly that. I will split this shape into two rectangles. I'm splitting it this way. You might split it a different way. And the first thing is to find any missing lengths that I need to find the area. For this rectangle here, I'm actually okay because I have the base and I have the height. It is this rectangle here that is missing its lengths. To find that length, I would do the long length here minus 4, because this length, this side and that side would total to make this side here. So this side I could say is x plus 11 take away 4. So that's this long side take away 4. I can simplify that to x plus 7. So this side is x plus 7. To find that length, I would, if I'm looking for this side here, I'm going to use the sides that are parallel. So this long side is made up of this side plus this side. So to find that missing length, if I'm looking, I'm going to do 2x plus 6, and I need to take away x plus 1. I'm putting it in brackets because I'm taking away the whole thing. X plus 1. So 2x plus 6, take away x plus 1. 2x take away x is 1x, and 6 take away positive 1 is 5, so it'll be x plus 5. So again, my brackets are really important because without the brackets you would end up adding 1 and we should be subtracting 1 because we're taking away x plus 1 as a complete thing. So now I've got my missing lengths, so I can move on to step number 2, find the individual areas. So the area of rectangle 1, x plus 11 multiplied by x plus 1. So it's two expressions being multiplied. You should end up with a quadratic. X plus 11. So if you need to, you can use a grid to multiply. You'd get x squared plus 12x plus 11. Rectangle 2, same thing again. For rectangle 2, I'm going to do x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 7. That is our base times height. So you can do the grid, work out the multiplication. You should get x squared plus 12x plus 35. Rectangle 2. Step number 3, we want the total area. X squared plus 12x plus 11 plus x squared plus 12x plus 35. I hope you can see how we will end up with the answer at the end. So x squared plus x squared is 2x squared, and 12x plus 12x is 24x, and then 11 add 35 is 46. So the total area equals 2x squared plus 24x plus 46, which is what they wanted me to show. So I know that I've got that correct. So hopefully you got to the answer. Let me know in the comments how you got on, and if you have any questions that you'd like for me to answer, link them down below. So hopefully, or you can send me an email. My email is in the description box if you'd like tuition and for any other queries. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.